Well, hey there. Thank you for inquiring about Thrive Life Foods. You know, I get two questions on a regular basis, and I want to talk about them here. One is the ingredients, how much salt does it have, or how many carbs does it have, that sort of thing. Or serving size, how many servings in a can, what is the serving size. All of that information can be found on the website, so let me show you where you can find that. Now, I get this question the most often about the new Thrive meals. So let's take a look at those. Here on the landing page, when you click on my link, it'll take you to this landing page. You can either go down here to shop all products, and then you'll find meals right there. Or you can click on shop right here, and then you'll find meals right there. And once you're to this page, eventually there'll be 7 meals available. Right now there are only 2. You can either click on the quick shop, and that just brings up this little pop-up window where you can place an order quickly with just the prices here. And notice that the monthly delivery service price is 15% cheaper than the retail price. So if you join the monthly delivery, you'll get cheaper prices, plus you'll get free shipping on any order over $99. Now, all this window gives you is the price and the ability to quick shop. But if you want more information about the product, actually click on the picture. And that'll bring you to this page. Of course, it still has the prices. But then right here, there are thumbnails. And one of those thumbnails is the label on the can. And that will give you all the information that you need about serving sizes, servings per container, and all the nutritional information that you need. So I hope that helps. I hope that answers your question. Be blessed.